Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video is this Ford Kuga 2 litre titanium 6-speed power shift gearbox, 180 brake horsepower, intelligent all-wheel drive. The car at the blink of an eye can put power to any individual wheel wherever it's necessary and wherever it needs it. Privacy glass through our aluminium roof rails on the top track to attach any Ford accessories. Parking sensors on the back, electronic hands-free keyless entry, Isofix child seat anchor points, 12 volt power supply in the boot, 12 volt power supply in the back, 12 volt power supply here in the front. Gearbox there can be used in a semi-automatic mode as well as fully automated. Dual zone climate control with heated front windscreen, push button stop start, speed limiter and cruise control, DAB radio, phone, navigation, application downloads and settings menu. This car will mirror your phone just by connecting via USB. On the right hand side, volume control for both Bluetooth and your radio, CD, etc. Power to all 4 windows, electronic door mirror adjustment, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. Car's been prepared and checked by our Ford trained technicians for fantastic peace of mind, but also Perrys award-winning aftercare service. Thanks for watching, hope to see you soon, bye bye for now.